Hello YouTube, welcome to Code Fusion. My name is Harsh Kumar and this is the part 5 of the video series JavaScript for the beginners. And in this video we talk about Boolean data type. Boolean is not like just a variable or number which store quantitative data. Boolean only store 0 or 1. Basically one value. It will be 0 or 1. So what is the use of this tiny Boolean data type? If it store only single data, it's actually used as a decision making variable. Let me show you in the VS Code. Let me zoom first. In this piece of snippet, here is a ternary operator. Don't worry about it. We will cover it later in the course. But stay with me. I will tell you basics and why I chose this ternary operator to explain Boolean in a minute. If we set a variable a is equal to 5, then a value is equal to 5. If is it true, print true, or else print false. So what it is mean? We are just telling if the value of a is match the value of 5, print true or false. Let me show you. Open with live server. Open the console. See, the value is true. Why? The value of a is 5 and we match a with 5 is true, then our program print true. If we misprint say like 25, it's not equal to 5, so it will be false. It will be false, nothing else, but very important. The actual value of Boolean variable is, let me show you. The value of true is Boolean by type of function. Type of function. Let me copy this. So let me paste this. Wait. Only this. Okay. First. Now let us see. See the data type of true and false are Boolean. So that's all for now. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to Code Fusion and hit the bell icon for the latest update of the video. And please follow me on Instagram and Twitter, where I post my personal life and experiences. Keep coding, keep learning, and keep practicing and improving your day by day. For now, bye bye, take care, and see ya.